Hey, everyone's talking about slow growing plants, but let's be real. Who has the patience to wait months for their tank to look full? Am I right? What if I told you there are aquarium plants that grow so fast you'll think your tank's on steroids? And no, I'm not talking about the usual suspects like Java Fern or Nubius. Today, I'm going to dive into 10 fast-growing aquarium plants you don't want to miss. And trust me, these will transform your tank in no time. Hey, fast-growing plants are a game changer. They outcompete algae, fill out your tank quickly, and create a lush underwater jungle in a matter of weeks, not months. But here's the catch. Most people only talk about the same old plants. In this video, we're skipping the overused ones and diving straight into the unique powerhouse growers that you need in your aquarium. So you've set up your tank, picked out a few plants, and waited. And waited. And after a few weeks, your tank still looks bare. Meanwhile, algae creeps in, your fish look unimpressed, and you're stuck wondering if you did something wrong. Here's the truth. Not all plants are created equal. Some take forever to grow, while others explode with growth if you know how to use them, right? So, if you want a tank that looks like an aquascaping masterpiece without waiting months, these 10 plants will get you there fast. Hey, if you love the look of Combamba, but hate its high maintenance nature, this is your dream plant. Limnophilia grows insanely fast, even in low-tech setups. It shoots up towards the surface, giving your tank that lush, wild look. Just trim it regularly or it'll take over. Hey, this plant doesn't just grow fast, it thrives in almost any condition. Whether you've got low light, high light, CO2, or no CO2, it just keeps growing. The best part? It leaves develop reddish tones under strong light, adding a pop of color to your tank. Want a plant that grows fast and changes color? Rotala Rotundifolia turns from green to pinkish red under the right conditions. Plus, it grows like a weed, filling up background space quickly. Trim it often, and it'll reward you with even bushier growth. Hey, this one's a classic for a reason. It grows fast, smells amazing. When you trim it, seriously, it smells like mint. You gotta smell it. And adapts to different lighting conditions. If you want a plant that can handle different setups, this is it. Hey, red plants can be tricky, but Ludwigia Repens is one of the easiest and fastest to grow, even in moderate lighting. It develops reddish hues, and in high light, it goes full-on deep red. Plus, it grows like crazy, so expect to trim often. Looking for a plant that can be a background filler or a carpet? Pearlweed does it all. It grows quickly and can be trimmed into a lush bush or left to sprawl across the substrate. Either way, it's a fast-growing powerhouse. Now, if you want a plant that grows fast with zero effort, Guppy grass is unbeatable. It floats, it roots, it provides amazing cover for fry, and it helps keep water clean by absorbing excess nutrients. Just be warned, it grows so fast it can take over if you're not trimming it regularly. Hey, this plant is basically the ultimate set it and forget it option. Plant it in the substrate or let it float, it grows no matter what. Plus, it helps control algae by sucking up excess nutrients like a sponge. If you want rapid growth, Hornwort is king. It grows under nearly any condition, and its feathery leaves provide excellent hiding spots for fish. Just be ready for some needle shedding. Nothing a little tank maintenance can't fix. Hey, a fast-growing carpeting plant that doesn't demand CO2? Dwarf Sagittaria is perfect for that lush, natural look. Once it establishes, it spreads runners everywhere, creating a dense green carpet without needing constant replanting. So, what's the secret to getting these plants to grow at full speed? 3 things: good lighting, stable nutrients, and proper trimming. If you neglect these, even the fastest growers will slow down. But if you dial in the basics, your tank will look fully grown in weeks, not months. Now, if you're tired of waiting forever for plants to grow, these top 10 options will change the game. Whether you want a towering jungle or a dense carpet, these plants will get you there fast. So just remember, fast growth means more trimming, so be ready to maintain that lush look. Hey, you want more aquarium tips? Subscribe now or check out this next video, and I will see you there.